Hi, my name is Tiame Green, and this presentation will cover how this course, Real-World Technologies, and its assigned materials have made me think about life. What is an innovator? An innovator is a person that creates or invents new ways or ideas of doing things. It means to do something that has never been done before. There are many famous innovators out there in this world, such as Steve Jobs, Mark Zuckerberg, and Elon Musk. Am I an innovator? Yes, I am an innovator. I have curiosity, collaborative skills, associative thinking, and always want to take action. However, I am not an innovator in the traditional sense. I will not run a $1 billion business or invent new technology that changes the world. Instead, dance and art are my expressions of innovation. What we do know is, if you're not prepared to be wrong, you'll never come up with anything original. This quote from Ken Robinson's TED Talk has stuck with me. I always fear answering a question wrong in class, on homework, on a test, but in my art classes or when choreographing a dance, I am not afraid to take a chance because it's not about right or wrong, it is expression of myself. Creativity in my life. I love painting, design, drawing, movies, TV, music, and especially dance. I am on two dance teams and I am the creative director of one of them. I choreograph the dance, select the songs, and mix the songs. However, I do have anxiety. I cannot present in front of others without wanting to throw up, feeling nauseous, getting a headache, and wanting to cry. But I can step out on a stage in front of people and cameras and perform something that I created 100%. My creativity allows for me to overcome this anxiety. Creativity in education. I have always felt school killed creativity by testing so often, cutting art classes, and having such a standardized and bureaucratic system. Every person is different. How can each student be graded in the same way? The text and other materials have supported this. The text tells stories of creatives who had to look outside of school to discover their passion. This quote from TED Talk: our education system has mined our minds in the way that we strip mine the earth for a particular commodity. We have to rethink the fundamental principles on which we're educating our children. This explains my thoughts perfectly. Educators try to rip knowledge out of us, but does it really do anything in the long term? In the short term, I can memorize and pass a test, but in the long run, will I have learned a skill or a lesson from material taught? Most of the time, no. Reasons I am a risk taker. Maybe it's due to my strict childhood that withheld my freedom. I was told to come right home after school. I was not allowed in many extracurriculars, and I did not have friends that were allowed to hang out all the time. So I had to take risks to have some freedom. Maybe it's because my curiosity is natural. I have always asked questions and wanted to know more. My lack of freedom and natural curiosity worked together to make me want to try new things. Now, with the freedom in college, I am always looking for something new. Lastly, maybe it's because I am ready to take action instead of planning ahead. Many times I do not choreograph or dance until a few hours before practice. It is not planned ahead. I dance, try something, scrap it, try something new, and build on it. It's all trial and error. These influences my decision making. There isn't always time to plan ahead. Why not try something and fix it later? Importance of rubrics. When it comes to assignments, I am not a risk taker. I do not have the academic ability to get an A, so I must play it safe to save my GPA. Rubrics give me a checklist and ensure that I have met the requirements of the assignment so I can be sure I have done everything correctly. How the book and the modules influenced me. I felt a lot of emotions throughout reading the text. Anger because I felt the school system failed me and many others. Jealousy that I did not have the opportunities of some of the people in the text. Hopefulness because there are people that believe in me even though I may not be a genius with a 4.0 GPA. Ken Robinson's TED Talk stuck with me the most as I believe he showed how schools do not encourage creativity and this is how it has affected people like me. Technology's impact on my life. Technology allows me to access information and learn what I want to learn. I can Google what I want to know, I can watch videos on it, and share the information with others. It connects me to other creative people that can inspire me, such as dancers. I can base my dances off their dances. Sometimes watching a dance will inspire me to choreograph a new piece, even. Entertains me and allows me to escape when I'm overcome with schoolwork. Conclusion. My academic career is coming to an end as I'm a senior in college. I am happy that I took this class before I graduated. It really helped me grow as a person and learn more about technology. I definitely learned how to use way more applications in this class than any of my other classes. I still feel the education system has slightly failed me, but luckily I found my creative outlets in dance and other interests. My future goal is to own a coffee shop. After this course, I see the importance of creativity. I want to create a space that is open to creatives. People can dance, sing, write, paint. A place where people can hold workshops and teach kids how to code or use computers. I want people to have the opportunities that I feel I did not have. That's all. Thank you for watching.